Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Chrome 100 is rolling out now with a 3-digit version number. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can get the latest version, which is in this case the 100 Chrome version, and what are some of the new features of this version. So in order to get this update you have to open Google Chrome and then you need to go over these three dots and then you need to find Help and then you choose this option here about Google Chrome, and then automatically it will show you that Chrome is looking for updates. By just doing these steps, Google Chrome will automatically update to this latest version, and normally it will ask you to relaunch your Google Chrome, and then that's all that you have to do in order to take the latest Google Chrome update. But let's have a look on the new features that Google Chrome is introducing on this new version. One of the features that Google Chrome is introducing on this new version is a run safety check to make sure your browser and passwords are as secure as possible. In order to do that, we need to follow these steps. So we go first to these three dots over here, and then we choose settings, and then we need to go over privacy and security. And here we are, safety check. Google Chrome can help keep you safe from data breaches, bad extensions, and more. So let's check that now. So now it will check the updates, the passwords, if the browser is safe, extension, and device software. In this case, it's showing me that one of my passwords is compromised and I have around 40 weak passwords using. You may want to review them and change it if you are in the same situation. But if it's showing that all the passwords are good and are strong, then you don't have to worry. An interesting feature is that Google Chrome is checking your computer for harmful software also. So somehow Google Chrome is becoming also like an antivirus. Another powerful feature that Google Chrome is introducing with this version is turn on enhanced safe browsing. Google Chrome is saying that this is the strongest security with malware and phishing protection. In order to activate enhanced protection, we need to do the following steps. So we go over these three dots here, and then we need to scroll down till we find settings. From the options on the left, we need to choose privacy and security, and then we need to select over security. And here we are. Now I can choose enhanced protection, and based on this, Google Chrome states that I will be more protected from dangerous website download and extensions. It will warn us about password breaches. It will predict and warn us about dangerous events before they happen, keep you safe on Chrome, and may be used to improve your security in other Google apps when you are signing. Improve security for you and everyone on the web, etc., etc. So let's say this is a very powerful feature that Google Chrome is introducing on this latest release. Another interesting news about this is that Google Chrome have collaborated with Firefox on this release, and they are together testing how this 100 release can go on. And here is stating that Firefox 100 will ship very soon also. And also it is stating here that these 3-digit version numbers have the potential to cause issues on sites that rely on identifying the browser version in some way. Over the latest few months, the Firefox team and Chrome team ran experiments in which the browser reported version 100 even though it wasn't. This led to a few reported issues, many of which have already been fixed, but we still need your help, etc., etc. Another tip that Google Chrome is giving regarding this version is control website access to your location and device. You have noticed website asking to your location, microphone, and more. Use site safety controls to understand and change permissions for the sites that you visit. So basically, these were the three main new features of Google Chrome 100. Let's hope that these three features will really help us to have a safe browsing by using Google Chrome, which actually has like around 70% of the market of the browsers. Thanks a lot for watching. That's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Leave your comments below and please do not forget to subscribe. All the best. Thank you.